Welcome to Road Solver Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to manage the variables in templates. First, what are the variables which we are using in Road Solver? There are there is a slope, variable slopes, that is called super elevation. Another one, road width, that one it is variable 1 or 2 or whatever it is. So first this variable is slope. So there is a 6 slope which we are using in Road Solver. The first one, it is main carriageway right side, that is with the notation which we are using in template is MR. The second one, this main carriageway left side, that is ML. There is inner shoulder right, that is IR. Then inner shoulder left, it is IL. Then outer shoulder right, it is OR, and outer shoulder left is OL. Same like that, which is used for the width, road width, that will be variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, up to variable 20. That will be, we are right in the template, that is VAR 1, 2, 3, something like that. So we will check how to visible in the template models. So now this is one type of template. Here the width of the road, it will be variable 1 and variable 2. Right side we keep it as a variable 1, left side is kept as variable 2. This is used for the distance. This is always coming the numbers, so it would be used for the variables. Second one is slope. Here the slope which is used for the MR means right side slope, ML means left side slope. Actually here we are using as a normal value of the slope, but in the input which we are using in the input in Road Solver, it is directly in percentage. So it will be calculated from the percentage as a normal value, then it will be used in the template. So you keep it in mind, here it is the value, it is a normal value. If you are using the super elevation should be mentioned in the percentage value. So this is a method which is using. So how it is the calculations? First the super elevation. In super elevation diagram, there are the control points which is changing the grade points in the diagram, which is located in the yellow points. These are the points which is changing the grade of the slope. So these points should be mentioned in the super elevation, which is coming in the right direction and which is coming in the left direction. Super elevation where the grade change location only, it will be mentioned, no need others. So which is changing the linear variation. Slope should be in percentage only, which is in the super elevation we are mentioned slope in percentage only. So second one, the variables. Variables, it is using for the only numbers, which is linear variation, where they are changing the linear variation, you have to keep the first value and second value. So this is a method which is using in the, so intermediate value will be calculated automatically for the calculations, which is automatically by the program itself. So variable to be used only where the change in linear variation only. In between the value calculated by the based on the ground station or ground interval which you are given already. Okay, this is a method which is using for variables in the program. Now in the Road Solver program, this is a template for the earthwork which we are using in the. There is a in the dummy point, which is in the topmost point, -1 and -2, we are using the variable 1 and variable 2. In the side slope, we are using the ML, MR. So this value, every station calculation, it will be go to take the, which is mentioned in the template. Now the variables which is available in typical calculation in variables panel. There is a variable 1 and variable 2. So variable 1, there is a changes in between 675 6.5 from 900 6.65, then 1 plus 100, that will be go to 10.5. In between this station automatically calculated based on the your station intervals, ground level intervals. So it will be calculated and it will be used in the calculation. Same like that, which is super elevation also, there is MR right and MR left. That one where the changes in the slope we are mentioning here. At the time of calculation, in intermediate of these stations, it is automatically calculated as per the calculation of the super elevation slopes. So this is a method which is using in road solver the variables of super elevation and this width of the road. Thank you.